Hi, my name is Cameron.
And I'm Alyssa.
And we're going to be singing Hey Soul Sister by Train. Here we go.
One sec.
Hey, hey, hey. Your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brain. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. Your sweet moonbeam, the smell of you in every single dream I dream. I know when we collided, you're the one I have decided who's one of my kind. Hey soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio, stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, hey, hey. Just in time. I'm so glad you have a one-track mind like me. You gave my life direction, a game show love connection we can't deny. I'm so obsessed. My heart is bound to beat right out of my undreamed chest. I believe in you like a virgin, you're Madonna, and I'm always gonna wanna blow your mind. Hey soul sister, ain't the Mr. on the radio, the stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. The way you can rock, watching the only drug I need. You're so gangsta, I'm so thug. You're the only one I'm dreaming of. You see, I can't myself, no finally. In fact, there's nothing I can't be. I want the world to see you be with me. Hey soul sister, ain't the Mr. on the radio, the stereo, the way